Do you ever find yourself squinting at your phone or reaching for your reading glasses just to read a text message? Well, the good news is you can make the text on your phone much bigger, and it's a lot easier than you might think. Let's go through this together. Step 1, open Settings on your phone. The settings icon looks like a little gear. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. You can also swipe down and search for Settings. Step 2, you're going to tap Display or Display and Brightness. Some Android phones use slightly different names. Step 3, tap Font Size or Font and Screen Zoom. Again, different phones vary slightly. Step 4, move the slider. You can go from small to medium to large to largest. You can adjust it until it feels comfortable. And here's an extra tip. Many Android phones also let you make everything on the screen larger, not just the words. If you see something called display size or screen zoom, try adjusting that too. And that's it. If your phone has been hard to read, I hope this simple change makes using your phone much more enjoyable. Want a printable step-by-step guide you can refer to later? Just click below for your free guide. There is no such thing as a silly technology question. So if you have any other questions about your phone, your computer, or any other technological device, all you need to do is leave a comment below and your question could become my next video. Technology is always changing, but learning something new is always possible. And I am so happy to have you here where we can go over these things together. Thank you so much for joining me here at Next Chapter with Amber, and I will see you next time.